Hello, this is a Microsoft Office Word instruction video on font editing. Let's begin by opening up Microsoft Office Word. As you can see right here is the shortcut icon where you can simply double click and a blank document will pop up. If you don't have a shortcut icon, you can simply press the start button, go into all programs, and look for Microsoft Office. Select that folder and it should be under Microsoft Office folder, and select the Microsoft Office Word 2007. Simply select it and your blank document should pop up. Okay, so in this video I'll basically be going over font editing, which means the letters or words that you want presented, or the style that you want the words presented. So let's begin. Okay. Okay, so I'm simply going to type in some letters just to show you or give you a visual aid. This right here is the ribbon. This whole thing right here is basically options for Microsoft Office Word. This right here in particular is the font option, and these would be the short keys for font that I'll be going over later. So you highlight whatever you want to change by basically clicking it right before wherever you want it and basically dragging it. If you want the next line to do the same, just simply move the mouse down like so and let go of the mouse, and both of it is highlighted, which means it's active, and whatever you change, only those two things will be changed. So to get the full option, you simply select this button right here that sort of looks like an arrow key with a box, or okay. This is the font itself. You can select from different fonts. Right now it is on Arial, so it's whatever that is highlighted. That is the active font. You can scroll down and just simply click on it to change it. Or if you want to, if you want to not scroll down and look for it, you can simply type it in if you know the name of it. And here we go, Times New Roman. On the right of it, there are font styles: regular, italic, bold, bold, italic. And if you want to select one, you can, and it will, under the preview box, it shows you what it will look like if you went on and edit it in this sort of style or font. Under size is basically how big or how small you want the number, letters, or words that you want. So if you want a different one, you could once again either scroll down and look for whatever you want, or just simply type it in. In this case, I selected it by scrolling down, and I selected size 9. And if you think that's too small, but your option's not under here, let's say you want font 13, and obviously it's not under here, you simply type it in and move to a different thing, and yeah, under preview, as you can see, it changed. Right here, under here, it's the font color, and you can simply select it, select the arrow, and there's a drop box, and you can simply choose from whichever color you want. In this case, let's go with red. And once again, under the preview, you can see that it has changed to red. This would be the underline style, so whichever underline style you want for your font or letters or numbers or words, you can choose from. The words only option, it will only highlight the word or letters in the highlighted words or letters that you want. So let's go ahead and select the dotted one, and this would be the underline color. If you select the automatic, it would be the font color that you have chosen right here. If you want a different underline, in this case I would want light blue, I would just simply go ahead and select it. Right here it would be the effects. There's a strike through, double strike through, and simply by selecting it, you can see there's a check mark right here. That one would be active. If you don't want it and want to undo it, just simply select that, and so on. And right here is the default button where it will change everything and the future documents into this font. Therefore, you don't have to go through this whole process every time you want to type a new blank document. Simply press yes, no, and cancel, or cancel. Okay, and simply go ahead and select the OK button. The cancel button, what it will do is disregard whatever changes you made here, disregard it, and just keep it the way it was before. So let's just select OK and see. As you can see, only this part changed, yet this part didn't. There are simpler ways you can actually do this. One way would be, once again, highlight whatever you need to change and use one of these short keys. On the most part, it has all the options under the full option pop-up box. And let's say you want this in Bradley Hand, and it changed. Okay. If you're not sure what these buttons or what these functions do, simply put your mouse over it, and a little pop-up box will tell you what these buttons do or what these buttons are. So this B, put it over it. Obviously, it says bold, and it even gives you a shortcut. So let's try that out. It says Control B, and there you go. It bolded through that. If you do not like what you did with the font, all you have to do is simply undo, which you would just hold on to Control and then just tap the Z on your keyboard, and it would change back to what it was previously. Another option would be to highlight it and basically press the right button on your mouse, and there's another one right here. There's another short key right here that is mixed in with the most commonly used keys on the ribbon, and some of it has to do with the font right here. As you can see, Arial, and let's make this 48, and change this one to Door Jam, and here it is. If you want the full option bar, this is not the only way you can do it. You can also right click and just press the font button, and once again it showed up. That is it for Microsoft font editing. Hope you enjoyed this video.